Hello and welcome to another episode. So I had a friend ask me whether or not the brightness could be adjusted on the DJI RC remote control that controls the Mini 3 Pro, the one that I unboxed in another episode, in an unboxing episode. So short answer is yes, it can. How is what we're going to show you right now. So I'm going to take it over there and we are going to go through the process. Really quick, really easy. Let's do it right now. Okay, so the cool thing about this, first thing we're going to do is we're going to turn it on, press once, then hold, it makes noise, and then it turns on. Then it goes through the booting process, and I don't understand why they did this other than for teaching and demonstration, but there's a way to record the screen. So I know that that's not what this video is about, but we're going to start the recording of the screen so you can kind of just see more clearly what's happening. So what you do on that is you scroll down from the top so that there's this bar, and then you do it again, okay? And then you click that button right there, which is record screen, and then you'll see right here it'll make noise, and then right here it says recording. So we're going to go through the process again, but I'm going to show you the brightness and the volume level. So scroll down and then again, and then right here it says that's the brightness right there. So all you do, that's as bright as it goes, that's as dark as it goes. So it's really whatever you, and I know there's the reflection of the camera here, but I put it right about halfway, little maybe 60%. And then here's the volume of the remote control itself. It's not the volume of the drone. I don't know if there's a way to do that, but this is how you adjust the volume of the actual remote control. So the answer is yes, you can, and this is how you actually do it. Just like that. Okay, so I hope that was helpful. This thing is pretty powerful. They thought of everything, like I said, screen recording as well. So you can adjust the brightness. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe, comment. Really helps out to build the channel up, and I appreciate you watching. I really, really do. I will see you next time. Thanks for joining.